Weather alert! Weather alert!
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southern Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, central Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles east of Hickory, or near St. Stephen's, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near St. Stephen's, Conover, and Claremont around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Catawba around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lake Norman around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Millersville, Sherrills Ford, Startown, Carroll, and Oxford. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8.
Well, that got interrupted. But, yeah. This time here, we actually have, well, if I can pull it up, we have weather alerts. Weather alerts. Yeah, I said weather alert twice.